I want to do just a real quick video to show you where your cabin air filter is located. Open the glove box, take all your junk out. I only thought of this because one, I haven't changed this in a while, and two, I see people driving around in their cars with masks on these days, and some people should have been wearing masks in their cars long time ago, considering how dirty their cabin filters are. So back there is a little clip. It's not really a clip, it's a little plastic post that sticks out right there and there, and you're just gonna push those in, and then this whole piece should drop right out. Not drop on the ground, but I'll set it down for a second. Here. Forgot about one piece. This little piece here is gonna hook on to right there. So it's just gonna pop right out. All right, so then you're just gonna have this, a little door back here. So just don't yank on it too hard. It's just got these plastic hinges here. And you'll see this box, it'll tell you which way is up. Two tabs on either side. And there's the cabin air filter. This is a little dirty. And there's a bunch of crud in there. These are so inexpensive. I'm just gonna order a new one, probably on Amazon, and replace that. The part number, the last one I used. But yeah, that's it. That's pretty straightforward. And then just put it in there, follow the directions for the airflow. Which direction? This tells you around the filter, direction of airflow. But yeah, that's it. Don't pay a dealership to do that. You can do that in 10 minutes.